Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Guys, how are you? And confirm once whether am I audible to you or not. Am I audible and visible to you? Confirm. Shillong, Sisipu, Senapati, Itanagar. Guys, confirm once whether am I audible to you or not, and mark your attendance as well. Okay. So guys, how are you? Okay. Have you revised? Hi, Itanagar, good morning. Guys, have you revised? Okay. Fine. That's really good. Okay, so till then, we can start with the question. Without wasting our time, let's start with the question. Okay? There's a question for you. Solve this. A container contains helium and methane in 2:1 mole ratio. Calculate composition of mixture diffuses out first. Options are 2:1, 1:2, 4:1, and D 1:4. Really? I guess so that was next Wednesday, not today's Wednesday. Let's wind up this chapter first, and then we'll take it out. Okay? Hi, good morning, Senapati. Welcome, Tamelong. Guys, do this question. And tell me the answer. By the way, how many of you have completed the assignment of structure of atom? Raise your hand. Those who have completed the assignment of structure of atom, kindly raise your hand. And Senapati, Tamelong and Itanagar, you can guys use your chat box. I haven't seen a single hand in the Shillong Center. What can be the answer for this one? Okay. You all have completed? Okay. You have completed assignment of structure of atom. That's fine. Now you have to do nothing. I'll do that. I'll clear your doubts. Relax. Okay? One more minute, guys, for this question. Then we'll proceed. Let's start. Guys, read the question. Question is saying container contains helium and the CH4 in 2:1 mole ratio. Okay. Let's see. So, N1 upon N2, which is helium to CH4, is given to us is 2/1. Okay. They are asking us for the composition that diffuses out first. Ultimately, they are asking for this ratio, R1 by R2, which is P1 by P2 under the root molar mass of 2 upon molar mass of 1. We know that I can write it like this as well. I have told you this about this formula. So it is 2:1, 16 by 4. So when you will solve it, sorry, not 2:3, 2:1. This is your 2 into 2. So answer will be 4/1. So it should be 4:1. Option C would be the correct answer. How many of you has got the correct answer? Got it? Guys, is it clear to everyone? Confirm once, then we'll proceed. Okay. Attempt this question. Rate of diffusion of two gases A and B are in ratio 16:3. If ratio of their masses in the mixture is 2:3, then option A, ratio of their molar masses is 16:1. Ratio of their molar masses is 1:4. C, ratio of moles present is 1:24. Option D. Ratio of their moles present is 8:3. Attempt this question. Guys, read the question carefully and step by step proceed with the question. See, you have two different options. One is for the molar mass, another one is for the moles. Okay? So you have to check out. I'll suggest go with molar masses first and then with the next. Guys, once you have attempted that question, please let me know so that we can proceed. This is a very good question, guys. This is a very good question. And you guys are my superstars, so you can definitely do this. Okay, Itanagar has given its answer. Can I start, guys, or you need some more time? Okay. Guys, I'm solving it. Please look at the solution. Okay. Try to understand. See, repeatedly I'm using the same formula. Same formula again and again. I don't know why you are not picking up that formula. Okay, I was using the same formula, just we have to substitute the value and we have to just solve that. Okay, I know that maths is not your zone, but guys, this is simple calculation section over there. Okay, and you have to do that. No other choices available to us. Okay, so just look at this. Remember one thing, whenever you're solving a numerical, first of all, mention or mark the given things which are available in the question. Okay, like in the question, rates ratio is given to us, which is 16/3. Other than that, weight ratio is also given to us, which is 2/3. Now, the option says either we have to calculate the molar mass ratios or the moles ratio. Okay, so I'll suggest start with the molar masses. Okay, I have told you one formula that RA upon RB is equals to PA upon PB under the root MB upon MA. I have already told you that PA upon PB can be written like this: moles of A upon moles of B, and moles can be written like this: WA upon MB, WA upon MA into MB upon WB. Okay, we can substitute the value of PA upon PB in terms of weights. Okay, so just put this value and you will have this relation, that RA upon RB would be equals to WA upon WB into MB upon MA under the root MB upon MA. Guys, I hope so everybody knows that how to solve this one. Okay, just look at this. And first of all, I'm clarifying this concept. Okay, look at this, guys. Can x into under the root be written like this? X to the power 3/2. First of all, confirm it to me, guys. Confirm it to me that can I write x into under the root x equals to x to the power 3/2? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, that's fine. So guys, similarly I'm writing that WA upon WB here, MB upon MA to the power 3/2, okay, is equals to what? RA upon RB. Guys, now just put the values. See, RA upon RB is 16/3, WA upon WB is 2/3, okay, is MB upon MA 3/2, okay. Just solve this. On solving you will get MB upon MA is equals to 8 power 3/2. Okay, now this one you have to solve. I can write it like this: 2 to the power 3. This can be written like this: 2 to the power 3. Okay, so when you will solve it, you will get MB upon MA is equals to 4 upon 1. So I guess so. Which option is 4 upon A? Option B. Okay. Copy, please. Copy, guys. Guys, this question was really good because lots of calculations were over there. You won't get such a difficult question in your NEET examination, but yes, this is for the brain exercise that we should have knowledge and should understand the concepts clearly. Okay. Now, is it clear to everyone? Is there any step or any point which is not clear to you? Copy, guys. Copy it. Copy please. Guys, are you getting this question? Copy and confirm. Settle down fast, guys. Copied? Guys, what happened? Are you sleeping in the class? I have asked the same thing for the 5 times. Itanagar, Temelong, Senapati. Guys, have you copied that? Okay. So guys, let's move on. A few more important formulas. Okay. Kinetic energy. Per mole means kinetic energy for 1 mole of gas is equals to 3 by 2 RT. Guys, we need not to learn the whole derivation for such formulas, okay? We should remember the formulas only for the exams, okay? Other than that, for n moles, this one will become 3 by 2 nRT. Okay, these are the formulas that you have to remember, and you will get a straightforward question based on these formulas. Okay. Let's do a simple question. Tell me the answer. Calculate kinetic energy of 32 gram of oxygen gas at 27 degrees Celsius. What we have to do? We have to just use this formula. Don't use half mv square. Okay? That formula won't be used over here. Okay? Because we don't know anything about the velocity. Okay? Here we know the other things, which is temperature. Okay? Here the kinetic energy will depends on the temperature. That's why we will use this formula. So simply use this formula, 3 by 2 into 8.314. I have told you that 8.314 will be used in the questions where we are talking about the energy. So here the question relates with the energy. That's why we are using the 8.314 into 300. Okay. Just solve this. On solving, you will get, you can use 25 by 3 in spite of 8.314, that will make your calculation much easier. 25 by 3 into 300. So you will solve it and you will get 3750. Copy. Copy and confirm. Okay. This question is for you guys. Kinetic energy of a gas sample at 27 degrees Celsius is E. What will be its kinetic energy in terms of E at 227 degrees Celsius? Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Is there anyone who has got the answer? Nefi, are you solving that question? Joules. How is it possible you can get the answer in joules? Look at the question. What will be kinetic energy in terms of E? How can you get the answer? What are you saying? Which question you are solving? Are you still solving the previous question? My dear, previous question has completed. I have already written its answer. I'm asking for this question. Okay, let's check out. Who has got this answer? Okay, okay, write it again. Settle down, settle down. No need to write. Is there anyone who has got the answer? Tamelong, Senapati, Itanagar? See, E is, for a gas sample, we don't know about the number of moles. So you can simply take it N, 3 by 2 RT. Okay. Temperature is given to us 300 kelvins. So you can say 3 by 2 NR into 300. Okay. We have to calculate kinetic energy in terms of E when temperature is 220 or 227 degrees Celsius, which is what? 500 kelvins. What to do? Just divide these two and you will get your answer. Divide these two. Okay. Consider this as a E dash. Okay. So when you will divide E by E dash, you will get 3 by 5. So you can have E dash would be equals to 5 by 3 times of E. Very good this time, those who has got the answer. Nice. Raise your hand now, those who has got this answer. Only 2 students in the class has got the answer for this question. Okay. Do this question. Kinetic energy of 800 gram of CH4 at 227 degrees Celsius is X. Then at what temperature its kinetic energy will be 3x. Look at the formula very carefully. This question should hardly take 20 seconds. Should hardly take 20 to 30 seconds. You can take your time while solving this question. Got the answer? Very good. See, by the way, who has got this answer? How many of you has got this answer? Raise your hand. Raise your hand, those who have got this answer. Okay. See, we have learned that kinetic energy is nothing but 3 by 2 nRT. Okay. N is constant, R is constant because they are talking about the same gas. Okay. They are saying the kinetic energy of 800 gram of CH4 is at 227 degrees Celsius X. Then at what temperature its kinetic energy will be 3x. It means that they are not changing the mass, it means they can't change the moles. R is the universal constant, so that will be also constant. So we can say that kinetic energy depends only on the temperature. It is directly proportional here. Okay, so you have to do this one only. Okay, first kinetic energy is given to as x is proportional to 500. Now it should be 3x at what temperature? Consider this one as a T. What to do? Just divide these two and you will get your answer. X upon 3x will be equals to what? 500 upon T. I hope so. Whenever you will remove the proportionality sign, you will get a constant 3 by 2 nr. That's understood. So need not to solve that. So when you will solve it, you will get the 1500 kelvins. Next question. At what temperature kinetic energy of 20 gram of helium sample is same as kinetic energy of 80 gram of oxygen at 127 degrees Celsius. Tell me the answer for this question. Guys, have you got the answer? Guys, again you are taking too much time. See, kinetic energy of helium sample should be what? 3 by 2, 20 by 4, which is number of moles. Okay, we have got one answer. Let's see. R is a constant and temperature is, we have to calculate. Second kinetic energy is 3 by 2, 80 by 32 into R into 127 means 400. Okay. Just divide these two and you will get your answer. Or we can just simply equate these two, make them equal. I'll just divide this. So this one will get cancelled out, this one will get cancelled out, and we will have 80 by 32 into 400 is equals to 20 by 4 into T. Just solve this and you will get your answer. 4 and this one will be 4 into 400 into 4 upon 32 is equals to T. Okay. So this is 8, this is 2, so temperature should be 200 kelvins. Okay, that's good. Answer should be 200 kelvins. Okay, let's move on. Different kinds of speeds. Guys, you will find three types of speed: most probable, average speed, and the root mean square speed. Okay. What difference you have to check out here? That most probable means the speed possessed by the maximum fraction of the gas particles. Let me take an example. Let's say suppose there are 100 people. Okay. Now out of 100, 60% are there. 60% are there who are moving with the speed of 20 km per hour. Okay. There are only 10 people who are moving with the speed of 50 km per hour. Okay. Now, there is an intermediate speed which is possessed by the 30%, not 30, yeah, 30%. Okay. And we can say that is 35 km per hour. Okay. So, here, the maximum person having this velocity, okay, means that this maximum person representing the most probable speed. Most probable. Need not to copy it. Okay, I'll write it for the gas particle. This is just for understanding the concept. The speed which is possessed by the maximum number of, the highest speed which is possessed by the person, which is the minimum person, will be a root mean square. Okay. And the intermediate of these two is known as what? Average speed. Are you getting this? That in the, guys, do not copy this. In the total particles of the gas, the maximum number of particles which is possessing the minimum speed, we can say, the maximum number of particles which are possessing the minimum speed will represent the most probable, highest will represent the root mean square, and the average of root mean, we can say the intermediate of the root mean and the most probable is known as what? Average speed. This is how these three speeds are different from each other. Okay, I'm writing its definition right now. Okay, just copy that definition, and if still you have got any doubt, you can please ask me. First is most probable speed, represented by VMP. Okay, like this, you can say velocity. Guys, copy with me. By maximum fraction of molecules is known as most probable speed. Okay, the formula, guys, again formulas will be important here. This is your 2 RT upon M. You have knowledge about the R and T. M is your molar mass. Copy. Done? Number 2, average speed, which is V average. This is your average of molecular speed, is known as average speed. Simply, if we want to calculate the average, I hope so everybody knows how to calculate the average, that U1, U2, U3 up to UN. Okay, whatever different speeds are available to us, okay, just add them and divide with the number of different speeds. We'll get the average. And the important formula that we have to remember is this one, 8 RT upon pi M. This is the formula that we have to remember. Copy. Done? Next, root mean square speed. This is known as the RMS speed. Okay, so this is your root of, quite mathematical term. Okay, just write this definition. Remember the funda that this one has the highest speed. Root mean square is the highest speed, then average will be lower than this one, and most level will have the slowest speed. Okay, that's what concept is that you have to remember. Root of mean of square of all molecular speeds is known as RMS speed. Okay. How we can calculate it? U1 square plus U2 square plus U3 square up to UN divided by N. And ultimately, we have to remember only this formula. Three RT by M. You have to remember only this formula. Copy. Now, other than these three formulas, what you have to remember? That VRMS is greater than V average is greater than V most variable. First important thing. And second important thing, there is their ratios. Most variable to average to RMS is equals to what? Root 2 is to 8 upon pi is to root 3. The most important thing that you have to remember. You might get straightforward question based on this one. Okay? I'm giving you a simple question, just solve that and tell me the answer. First of all, copy that. Okay. Calculate RMS speed of oxygen gas molecules at 27 degrees Celsius. Do this, tell me the answer. 234. Let's see. In the root, VRMS is what? 3 RT by M. You have to solve this. Okay. Just put these values. 3 into 25 by 3. Temperature is 300. Mass is 32. Okay. I hope so everyone has solved this. My dear, this is again energy related issue, means energy related problem. Is there any unit, or we can say is there anything of which gives you liter there? No, who said energy is not involved? See, whenever speed is there, that speed is just because of energy. Think about it. Whenever speed is there, that speed is because of what? Energy. Focus on the units, dear. Look at this. You have these units, liter, ATM, per Kelvin per mole. Other than that, joule, per Kelvin per mole. Just check out the formula. Have you ever find the liter, or we can say the atmosphere over there? In the question, are we having the pressure and volume term over there? If not, then how can we use it? We can't use this. We have to use this one. We have to use this one. Now getting this? Confirm once. Now are you getting this, guys? Okay. You can solve that. Okay. And one thing, guys, one more thing. Here, every unit is SI unit. Okay. So the unit of R is, this is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Okay. But the unit of mass, we are using gram per mole. Okay. So guys, we know that the gram is not the standard unit, kg is the standard unit. Okay. So I'll convert this one into the kgs as well. Okay. For converting this into the kgs, I'll divide it with the 1000. So it will become 10 to the power minus 3 as well. We have to do this one as well. Are you getting this? Here you have to convert the mass as well. Mass should be in the kgs in spite of in the grams. Now you can solve this, and on solving, this is your 100, 75 upon 32 into 10 to the power 5. So on solving this, you will get 500 approximately meter per second. You can solve that, you will get your answer. If you are getting some other answer, you can please ask me. Okay. So guys, let's take a break of 5 minutes. I think we need that. We have done lots of numericals. Okay. So let's have 5 minutes of break, and I'll see you in the 5 minutes. Hi guys, back again. Please settle down fast. And please mark your attendance now. Mark your attendance. I need a one person for next 5 minutes on the system. From every center. Mark your attendance first. Okay. What about you, Shillong, Itanagar, Senapati? I need one active person on the system at the Shillong center. I won't repeat the question again. Okay. I need quick answers. You can discuss with your friends as well, just to answer that question. Okay. Guys, please pay attention. Don't talk right now for at least for the next 5 minutes. Okay. I need answer for these questions. Give me quick answers. Tell me the answer. Need not to use copy or pen. I hope so, Senapati and Temelong, guys, you should also know the answer. Yes, 9, absolutely right. Now tell me this one. What will be the answer? Now, what are you thinking about this question? I'm giving you 2 minutes for this question. If you can give me the answer. Okay, someone said 5 to the power 988. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Someone said this one. Someone said 2908. Okay, for those who has got who has got the answer 5 to the power 988. Okay, I'm still giving 1 more minute if you want to try for this question. Okay. Let's check out. See, if I say 2 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2. So according to the answer that I have got 5 to the power 988. So it means that this one should also be written like this, 5 to the power 4, and they must be equal whenever I'll solve it. So 2 to the power 2 is 4, 3 to the power 2 is 9. So whenever you will solve it, you will get a 13. Whereas 5 to the power 4 is nothing but 625. I think there is no relation between these two. We can't write. So that answer is not correct. Okay, someone said 5 to the power 5 No, that's also the wrong answer. Now listen to me. My concern is not to solve that question. Just make you understand what you exactly do while solving the numericals and what's exactly happening in this chapter. This is a numerical based chapter, and next 6 chapters are also belongs to the numerical section. If we are approaching in the same manner, then we will got panic after some time, because we will not get the correct answers, much correct answers over there. Okay, guys, first of all, I have seen few texts on the WhatsApp group that some students were saying they are blank. Okay, someone said that scared. Okay, and someone don't know what's going on in the life or with the studies as well. First of all, remember guys, these are the emotions, nothing else. Emotions. You are getting blank out of anxiety or little bit stress. Okay, so you are not different from the other students. Right now in India, approximately 13 to 15 lakh students are preparing for the NEET examinations. Okay, and they all are feeling the same. They all are feeling the same. Okay, so feelings won't decide that who will get the admission and who won't. Okay, first of all, clear this one. Guys, you have to control on your emotions and just think about it. Everyone has got this one as a correct answer, but not this one. Just because you have done such a kind of questions, such kind of simple questions many a times in your life till now, but till now you haven't approached such questions. This is the part of the numerical aptitude. Okay, there is also a way to solve that question. Our concern is not to solve that question, but just to make understand that why we are not getting the correct answers while solving the numericals. There can be only 2 reasons. First, you are not getting what I am trying to say you. Okay, whatever I have taught you. Second, there is a lack of practice. Not other than that. Okay, so guys, you have only 2 ways. Just first one is just left that chapter. Okay, and forget about the questions that will be asked in your examination. Okay, and second, just make your effort, try to approach in the manner. That's what I was saying to you. Okay, there is only 2 ways. And remember, you have got now 5 months only for the preparation. Okay, you are left with the 5 months only: November, December, January, February, and the March. Okay, March we will start with the revision. Okay, so hardly we'll have a 4 months only. Okay, so guys, in these 4 months, now you can make your future, you can destroy your future. That's all up to you. Okay, I see in the class that some students are talking to each other, don't know why. Okay, see, even I too like to talk to you guys. Okay, but the time says that we do not have much time to talk with each other. Okay, we'll have enough time just after the completion of the syllabus. We can talk to each other. Even you can talk to each other. Okay, I think after the class you have enough time that you can make chats with your friends. At least be serious in the class. In the current chapter, I have given you approximately 14 questions till now. And in the 14 questions, I have hardly get the 3 to 4 questions exactly correct answer in the first attempt. And the only reason behind that those who were practicing have got the answer, and those who haven't got the correct answer. So guys, remember, in the upcoming chapters, we will encounter with the numericals again and again. Try to follow the steps that I am telling you. If you will follow the steps, you will get the answers. And these are not answers, guys. Remember, The 180 questions in your NEET examinations are not just the questions, they are the futures. Okay, they are the futures, guys. So be serious about those 180 questions. They are gonna make you or break you. Okay, so be serious, prepare for those 180 questions. I have told you once that start solving the previous year's NEET question papers. Start with the 2006, give the sitting of 3 hours, okay, and observe how much score you are getting, and share with your faculties that I am getting this much score, how can I improve upon it? But I'm sure that nobody has done that. I'm sure. So guys, it's all up to you. A teacher can only tell you the way. Even I can tell you only the way that how you can get how you can get your dream. Okay, but the efforts will only be given by you. Okay, I can just tell you the path. Ultimately, you have to move on that path. Okay, so I'm doing my job. Okay, I know I'm doing my job very sincerely. Okay, I'm giving my 100% efforts for you guys. Now it's your turn that how much efforts you are doing. Okay, and remember that I'll play only the 10% part in your examination. The 90% part will be given by you, will be your efforts. Okay, so guys, let's start with the new concept. And remember guys, make a revision schedule. You have already studied the organic chemistry. I have seen your result of organic chemistry. That was very disappointing. Truly speaking, that was very disappointing. I was quite happy when I saw the result of the redox reactions. You guys have performed really well in that. Yeah, definitely there is scope of improvement over there. But yes, that was not disappointing for me. But organic chemistry was disappointing for me. Okay? And the reason behind that, the revision. If you can't do the revision periodically, one side you will finish the syllabus and on the other side you will forget the syllabus. Okay? If you can't recall them regularly. So make a revision schedule, make a time span of 15 days in a month. Okay? Pick up the chapters that you have to revise on that day only. Okay? And just after the class, revise the whole notes along with the numericals again. Okay, just to make much more clear. Till now, I haven't got any doubt in the beginning of my class from the previous topics that I have ever taught. I have never seen any initiative from any students who was saying that, sir, this is the question, I haven't got the answer. Okay. Even in the structure of atom, I have got only 2 questions from the structure of atom. Out of which one answer is given by the student and the second one was not given by anyone. So I'll discuss that doubt in the doubt session, in the doubt class. Okay. And rest of the students don't know what are they doing. Don't wait for the time. Okay. And don't know if we proceed in this way, what will be the final destination. Okay. So guys, it's time to change. It's time to make up. Okay. This time your efforts and efficiency should be twice. But I think reverse is going over there. I have told you, if you find any problem or any issue, you can just ask me. Okay. So guys, remember, in the NEET examination, physical chemistry is the section where students won't get much marks. So, remember, you will be differentiated from the students who are solving the physical chemistry and those who are not solving the physical chemistry. Okay? And I know that in the NEET batches, the students of the NEET are quite, we can say, quite got panic whenever they see the numericals. Guys, these numericals are not mathematics. These are simple, the daily life mathematics, addition, subtraction, division only. Rest is the concept that you have to use. Okay, so first of all, make one thing clear that this is not mathematics. These are the calculations. So you are doing the mistakes in the calculations. That's really bad part. Okay, and if you're still continue with that, then check out why you are doing the same mistake again and again. Guys, there are many mistakes to do. Why are you repeating the same mistake, even with the calculations? Okay, I hope so. I hope so. Next time, why next time? By the right now, okay, we'll just check out the calculation section. I'll make sure that we won't get much wrong answers. Take 2 minutes extra. Don't worry for that. Take 2 minutes extra at the initial stage, but those 2 minutes should be worth it. Okay, that we are getting the right way and the right answers. Okay, remember, attempting of 180 questions won't give you the selection. Even 150, 160 question can 165 question can give you the selection. Okay, 150 is a very big number actually. So we can say the 140 question as well. Even 140, 135 question can give you the selection. Okay, so but first of all, prepare those 135 or 140 questions. Okay, so let's start again. If you have got anything from me, if anything makes sense to you, because I expect a lot from this batch, from everyone, those who are connected to me right now, Shillong, Senapati, Sisipo, everyone, guys. You guys are smart enough to do these kind of questions, and I expect that you won't do such a silly mistakes. Okay, these are not acceptable to anyone, even to you as well. You shouldn't expect that you will do such kind of mistakes. Next topic is not topic. Next question is, again, read the question carefully. Take 2 minutes extra, but this time I need correct answer. And those who are just wasting the time in the class, guys, remember, you are not wasting the time. You are wasting the future, your own future. And this time I need names as well. Those who are solving this question. Read the question, pick out the formula, put the values, and solve that. Do this one. If average speed of sample of CH4 at 327 degrees Celsius is X, then at what temperature its average speed will be 3x. Guys, look at the question very carefully. Don't try to copy with the previous formula. Try as in, first of all, make sure that you can apply the same on this particular question as well. Confirm this one. If yes, then you can use it. Okay. 3 have got the 600. What about, sorry. What about you, Itanagar, Tamilam and Senapati? Oh, 1 second. That is 3x, dear. Should be 3x. It is 3x, not x. Okay. I think just look at your solution again while doing this. Just look at your solution again and then tell me the answer. You will find such kind of question in your examination. Balajit, Paul, Annie, Farmwell, guys, just look at your solution again after substituting this value. Okay, Itanagar. Senapati and Tamelong, who has got this answer? Shillong. Okay, fine. Let's check out. See, V average is nothing but 8 RT upon pi m. Okay. So guys, for such kind of questions, I'll suggest whatever constant is given to us, just remove them. Okay. Just after looking at the situation given to us in the question. Basis of that, I can say this is proportional to T upon M. Okay. So what can I say? Vx should be proportional to, or we can say not proportional, Vx upon V3x should be equals to what? Under the root Tx upon Mx into M3x upon T3x. Are you getting this, guys? What I was trying to write? Okay, that's cool. Now, this is x and this is 3x. Just put the values. Temperature is given to us initially is 600 kelvins. Molar mass is 16 into 10 to the power minus 3 into, they are asking for the temperature, so just put it T, and the mass is again was 6 and 10 to the power minus 3. So even mass was constant, I can cancel mass as well. Okay, need not to write that. So what will we do? We will just square out both the sides. I'll get x square upon 9x square is equals to what? This one will get cancelled out and we will have 600 upon T X and X will get cancelled out, and on solving T will be 5400 kelvins. Very good to all of those who has got the right answer. You can clap for yourself. We have got the right answer. We are the superstars. Okay? You can clap for yourself, guys. Be happy, just be happy. Enjoy your solutions. Okay, any doubt? Anyone? Okay, now next is Maxwell distribution of molecular speed. Guys, copy these points with me. Copy these points with me. It is based upon law of probability. Okay? We need not to learn the law of probability. Okay? I'm sure that everyone knows what probability is. Okay? So we need only that knowledge. Means getting, we can say the chances of getting something is the probability. Okay? Then it gives statistical average of speeds of molecules of whole collection of gas. Okay? Next, this is the graph. That's what we actually we have to understand. We have got a bell kind of graph. This is fraction of molecule. Okay. This is the peak of curve. Okay. Copy. This peak of curve represents the most probable. Number 4. Fraction of molecules corresponding to zero speed is very less, as well as fraction of molecules corresponding to very high speed is also very less. Maximum fraction of molecules will possesses a common velocity which is represented by the peak of curve, and it is known as most probable speed. Guys, copy this. After that, I'm going to ask you a question. First of all, I'll summarize this. Whatever points I have written there, I'll summarize it. Copied. Okay. Guys, these are the points. First of all, let's understand the meaning of these points. They are nothing but, see, we have studied about the three kinds of speed. Most variable, root mean square, and the average speed. Okay. Maxwell was the scientist who actually explained these types of speed with the help of a graph. Okay. And he observed that when we plot them, we will obtain a belt kind of a graph over there, and that belt kind of graph can represent these kind of speed. Okay. Now, simply saying that the maximum fraction, whatever present over there, obviously that will be at the peak, okay, will represent the molecules who has got the most variable speed. Now, the particles who are having the maximum speed will represent the root mean square velocity, and the intermediate of these two speeds will be known as what? Average speed. That's whole thing is given in these points. Now just look at this. See. There are fraction of molecules. I need one person on the system, and I need answer for this question. And here we have got the speed. In this direction it is speed increasing, and in this direction fraction of molecules are increasing. This is point A, B, C. This is 1, 2, and 3. Now tell me, at point A, which speed is present? At point 2, which speed is present? And at point 3, which speed will be present over there? Tell me the name of the speed. Which speed will be there at point A, B, point 1, 2, and 3? Name of the speeds. Most variable, average, root mean square. Okay. Okay. Very good. What about you, Senapati, Itanagar, Tamelong? Raise your hand. Who has got this answer? Shillong Center. Guys, raise your hand who has got this answer. 1. Yeah, absolutely right. Point 1. And what about others? What are they doing? 1 is most viable because here fraction of molecule is maximum. Point B should be average because it is intermediate. And point 3 is the RMS because at point 3 speed is maximum over there. Okay, so RMS is the very fast speed. Okay, just copy this and then we'll proceed. Copy and then we'll proceed. Done? Let's move on. Number 6, area. Guys, you have to just remember this point, okay? Just remember this point. That area under the curve means I'm talking about this one. This area. Okay? I'm talking about this area. Area under the curve is constant at all temperature and it equals to unity. Unity means 1. That's all about this one. So guys, we have discussed all about the ideal gases. That's over. Now, can anyone please tell me any ideal gas? Name of any ideal gas? Can you guys please tell me name of any ideal gas available to us? We have finished up the ideal gas. Now we have to move on to the real gas. Real gas means non-ideal. We have to make a difference table. Ideal gas versus real gas. Okay, anyone else? Okay, how many of you are saying the noble gases are the ideal gas? Raise your hand. Many are saying this. Okay, nice. Any other? Any other? Okay, I have seen your hands, guys. Exactly. The interesting thing is, till now we do not have any ideal gas. Till now we haven't got any ideal gas. All gases are real, available to us. I think so. You have studied about it in the class 11th that we do not have any ideal gas till now. Okay, all the gases available to us are real gases, no ideal gas. Because the conditions that follows for the ideal gas is quite impractical to achieve. Quite impractical to achieve. Okay, because ideal gas will be available to us when there is temperature is very high and pressure is very low. Okay, and which is very difficult actually to obtain that kind of gas. So till now we haven't got any ideal gas. Okay, so remember this one. Okay, and the Priyanka, will you please look at the screen in spite of talking? Guys, just copy these points with me. See, point number 1. A gas which follows ideal gas equation at all temperature and pressure. A gas which follows ideal gas equation only at low pressure and high temperature. Copy. Number 2. For ideal gas, volume occupied by gas molecules is negligible. Is negligible. As well as force of attraction between gas molecules is also negligible. Here, real gas molecules have sufficient volume as well as significant force of attraction between them. Copy and confirm. Okay. Okay. See. One second, guys. One second. Time along, copy and please confirm. Okay. This is pressure. Welcome, dear. This is volume. This is the curve. This is your real gas. This is your ideal gas. This is your positive deviation. And this is your negative deviation. Okay. First of all, guys, copy this and see the point where it is cutting will be the interval where ideal gas will behave as a real gas. Okay. And first of all, confirm me, guys, are you getting the meaning of positive deviation and the negative deviation? Are you getting that why I am writing the positive and negative over there? Okay. Copy and I'll tell you. I hope so. Everyone has seen the axis. And if I talk about this line, see this line. If I talk about this line, I'm sure everyone knows that the value above it are positive and value below it are what? Negative. Okay, in the same concept, in the same context, look at this. This was your curve. Okay, so values above the curve are positive and values below the curve are what? Negative. So see, whenever we'll plot this line, so just because this lies here, this is positive, and this lies here, it will become negative. Now, are you getting this? Guys, are you getting this? Okay. So guys, liquefaction of gas is also left, that we have to discuss. That I'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Next class we'll wind up this chapter. Okay. We have discussed few numericals today, so that's why we haven't completed this chapter. So, guys, bye bye. See you next time. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good time. Stay healthy. Take care of yourself. Thank you.